Welcome to Kids Techie. Alphabets and its sound. A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D, E sounds E, F sounds F, G sounds G G G G G G G G, H sounds H, I sounds E, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds N sounds na 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 na, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds V sounds V, W sounds W, X sounds X, Y sounds Y, Z sounds Z. This is how you learn alphabets and its sound. A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D, E sounds E, F sounds F, G sounds G G G G G G G G, H sounds H, I sounds E, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds N sounds na 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 na, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds V sounds V, W sounds W, X sounds X, Y sounds Y, Z sounds Z. This is how you learn alphabets and its sound. Like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Kids Techie for further updates. Stay tuned with Kids Techie.